Alright, on the mid garage, we about to put a race wheel on today. Let's get it done. You're gonna need this piece right here.
Oh, 4-inch
Yeah.
adapter.
I could use anything.
This motherfucker's hot, dude. 7.
Get an extension too, yeah.
You tell me now, motherfucker.
Let me see that. Yes.
Get 8. I think that's an 8. Motherfucking goddamn. I don't know American sizes. What's this one?
Looks like a 10.
Fucking gets me every time. That's 8. By that bitch. Yeah, wait, that's 8. Gosh. Little shit. Maybe this is 10. 10? What do you got?
No.
Might as well put this all back nice. I think I opened it upside down. 8. 15, man. You gotta. Oh shit. That's 15.
I'm trying to hang real quick.
What kind of 13 is that? There's like 2 different size 13s in here?
Oh yeah, one's bigger. Alright, got it.
What was it?
A 10 millimeter, I found it.
Oh, you suck. 15-30 seconds.
Oh. Let me go over here.
Oh yeah, did you see TJ
'Cause I don't know.
video about this?
The fucking.
The horn might get stuck. I'm not gonna be surprised. Where the fuck this motherfucker go?
Alright, let's hope that works. I don't know what I'm doing.
Motherfucker. Was that your intro?
Yeah.
This is weird. You got 2 of like size.
I don't know what she's doing.
Oh yeah, I remember. My motherfucking finger still hurts.
Huh?
My finger still hurts. Damn tire. You got a 6.5?
Yeah.
What, are they having a party over there?
Alright, that obviously didn't do it. Alright, we're gonna need the Phillips head to take that off.
I'm trying to put everything back. 7 mil. 30.
Oh shit, I'm supposed to mark this.
Oh, we got all these nice half sizes. Where'd you get this? Pep Boys?
The Walmart.
Walmart? Really?
I cheaped out.
Pretty nice.
Came through.
You got everything you need. redneck over there?
You heard him?
Yeah, I heard him. What the fuck is that? Have you been missing a sock yet?
No way.
You're missing a 14 mil. Unless you got it.
What the fuck? Fuck's my keys.
It's a cool little chair. What are you doing?
Alright, we're gonna try and unscrew that here.
What the fuck was that?
Unscrew this right here. We're gonna push it in there. We'll see if it fits. Let me see.
Where am I unscrewing? This? In
Yeah.
here? I thought it was a fucking bolt.
No, right here, right here.
Oh, right there. Is it a Phillips? I don't think so.
Yeah, look at it. Yeah, it's a Phillips.
I think she's too fat, man. Very skinny. You sure? Well, that shit's gonna hurt. That's a Phillips, right? Yeah.
That's the race wheel.
Fuck. It's too big. I don't get it.
Does it fit it?
It's like a little tiny.
Yeah, I need to get that shit. Let me try it.
I feel like, I don't know. Weird. We couldn't make it any tighter. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, we clipped. Did you get the screw up out?
Yeah, that's right here.
It's probably clipped it.
Hold on.
It should come off this way. I think it's. Was this one piece?
Yeah, I think so. Hold on.
Damn, you got the airbag in your hand.
Boom!
You
Alright,
gotta
we're gonna
unplug
need
it.
a bigger socket right there to get that bitch
You
off.
gotta unplug this shit.
Unplug it.
I ain't fucking doing that. I'm getting away from that. I'm not catching the airbag at all.
Alright.
That's a big ass socket,
I don't know. I'm not trying to have this shit explode on me.
dude. Oh no.
That's not gonna be fun. I don't know, we're gonna leave it there for now. That's just right there. Okay, cool.
If you got something bigger than a 22 mil, I can't.
Right in the half.
Huh?
Alright, Curtis, get it done.
Let me see. You got the extension?
Yeah. That wasn't the extension.
Hey.
Teamwork.
This is weird. I never put an extension on a breaker bar. Hold that wheel. Shit. Ready? Now we can get it with the ratchet. That hurt. You got it? Sweet. Should take that off and clean it.
There she is.
Coming off. You gotta unplug this one.
Damn, y'all scared the
There it
fuck
goes.
out of me. Alright, keep it right there.
I'll put it back on.
No, because I gotta hang. Watch, hold it real quick right there.
Is there a
Alright.
plug back there?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
There's a clip right here on top. Good, pull it.
You got that. Go ahead. There's another plug. The fuck is that? What the fuck? Yeah, pop that out with the screwdriver.
Hold on,
Plug back there.
let me see what this plugs into. Oh, hitting buttons. Hold on, let me shut the car off. So I got electrocuted. I'm not for that life.
What the? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
man down.
Why did your CD player do that?
Dances.
It's not fancy. Shit's too low. Alright, try that.
Right, let's.
Take that off. I think we'll plug it in.
No.
No screw. Let me see the screwdriver.
I don't want that.
That was kind of gay. Hold that wheel. I feel like it's just gonna.
It's probably a super easy way. There's one more on top.
Oh, I didn't see that was the whole thing. What the fuck? Is that supposed to happen? Is there a plug in there? Don't you have to pull that off? To put the quick release?
No. Alright, I know what we have to do. We have to just get this. Just a fucking. Oh shit.
Are you sure we're not supposed to take that off?
Hold the camera real quick on this. There's just wire in there.
What if we pull that little tab? Bam. Oh, we gotta film the helicopter.
There's a fucking.
Can you pause this shit? Maybe we should Google it. I got his head off.
Hey, your finger was a little
I know, it was. Does it twist out?
It's so
Alright,
scary because
yeah.
if this shit explodes, I'm gonna be fucked. Alright, you wanna try it?
Hold on. I got an idea. I got one.
These yellow things look like they just pull out.
The yellow is fucking. What's it called? That's an airbag. Mazda.